Hi, this is Jen.
Well, this is Terry.
Oh, cut that out. And we're here to do this week's unboxing. I didn't get much in the mail this week. Today was a holiday. Just not a lot of good deals 2 weeks ago, which what I open is usually from 2 weeks ago. But I did receive a sweepstakes win in the mail this week, and it is a book. Do something with this. And I used to win books a lot, but I don't as much anymore. The Ancient Nine. Read this and you'll know what it's like to be in a secret Ivy League power club. It doesn't say much about it on the back. It's an advanced reader's copy, as you can see. And it went on sale September 18th. And I will link to this below where you can buy the actual non-proof version on Amazon. So now, what are we going to do, Terry?
We are going to taste test the brownie in a mug.
Yes. I believe it was last week. We had gotten 2 of these perfect size for one walnut brownies by Duncan Hines. We have made our brownie in a mug. Do you want to show yours? And I am eating it out of my halfway decent coffee mug. And we will see what that means in a little bit.
Anyway.
So, and I'm eating with the spoon that we got a few weeks ago. You need to show before you...
Brownie. He knocks my brownie off. There, now you can do all the talking and I can eat my brownie.
Well, what do you think of it? I do a lot of the talking. So now it's time for you. You just ate a crumb off of the table.
We just cleaned the table.
Yeah, but you should act like you have some type of domestication
But it's
when
delicious.
we're on video.
It's brownie, though. It doesn't count. It's got the right amount of, like, little, crunchy walnuts in it. And it's, it's nice and fluffy and...
This one's much better than the
chocolatey.
other one, the one I made the other day. My first thought when I ate the one that I did the other day was it has just enough walnut in it to make one of my friends who's allergic to nuts run screaming from it, but not enough to really do anything. But I don't feel that's the case here.
His friend is not nuts for walnuts.
What? He's very allergic. He can't have nuts.
He can't be around nuts.
I think he can. I don't know.
He said that he's been bothered by smelling peanut butter.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut jelly.
What?
That was me stuttering. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, and baseball bat. You don't know that part?
I'm too old. Anyway, we paid $1.50 for this on Amazon. It's gone up to full price by this point. But there's 4 packages in it. So do you think this is worth, what, about 38 cents a package?
Oh, yeah. It's worth more than 38 cents a cup.
And you know what my favorite part about it is? You don't take more than half. Okay, well, let's get to the other package. And we can finish eating this after we do the video. So do you want to get the other package? It arrived in the mail like this. You need to
Maybe
share
it was
this.
done intentionally. I don't know, but... Boom, boom. I don't know what that music was for, but it's kind of...
And we received, it has this little received damaged thing on it. So would you like to do the honors, Terry?
Yeah. Yeah, cutting tool.
You did not put the cutting tool away last week. I found it on the table. Do not do this if you have children. Do not do this if you have adults. Safety hazard. Safety hazard.
Don't have me around your kids with sharp things.
Safety hazard. Bump, bump, bump. Safety hazard. Would you open the darn box?
Okay.
Well, like, show what's happening as you open this. It's kind of...
It's crinkleized. Okay. But it's got bubble wrap, so it's fine.
I mean, what's in here can't get broken, but it can get lost. So...
Thank you for your order. Special offers. Blah, blah, blah.
Special offers.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Well, we don't need that. Get to the... Oh, cool. This voucher that comes in, like, everything that you order... I saw somebody on Facebook yard sale trying to sell this $100 off any case of wine priced $160 or more. I saw somebody on Facebook yard sale trying to sell this for, I think, $50.
Yeah.
They got laughed at.
Yeah. And I'm going to throw this over there.
Do you know I'm now, like, getting 6 or 7 catalogs of each one of Oriental Trading Company? Well, it's stop.
Okay. This one looks special.
And I will link down below how to order these. And while you're looking down below, be sure and do the knee thing and subscribe.
Subscribe to the knees. If you didn't watch the previous video, you're going to be really confused.
Yeah, we say that this is pointing to our knees. So like, comment, and subscribe. Knees.
Our knees. One could say that we have the bee's knees.
Hurry up, Terry.
I'm hurrying up. I don't want to waste people's time.
Well, you are. You have no problem wasting my time.
Well, sometimes I'm busy.
What? Busy for how long taking a shower? 45 minutes. He wastes water. So everybody that's into conservation, you need to get on him.
Yeah, send me hate mail.
Actually, send him a shower timer, and we'll open it on the video.
Okay, these are magnets. They look like stars. And you can write things about stars on them.
No, you're not going to write things about stars on them.
You can totally write things about stars on them.
But that's not what you need to remember. He is very forgetful, and I'm all the time trying to come up with ideas to help him remember.
There's also polka dots on there. You could write things about polka dots.
No, they're going to go on the refrigerator.
I know.
And they're going to be things like celery, macaroni salad.
Polka dots.
Celery, macaroni salad.
Polka dots.
Celery, macaroni salad.
I need to come up with something that's other than polka dots.
Well, you said something about stars.
Star performer.
What, am I math star of the day? You know, I kind of thought that was kind of dumb. In 4th grade, we had math star of the day. And once you were math star, you couldn't be math star again. And I had a learning disability in math, and nobody knew it at the time. They just thought I was really smart and did not apply myself, yada, yada, yada. And by the time that I was math star, like, there was nobody to compete against me. And so I'm, like, wearing around this little button all day that says math star, and I'm like, seriously, I'm a math star when I'm the last one to get it? So these are for reminders of what the stuff in the refrigerator is for.
And in a pinch, Ninja Stars.
Next item, please.
There's one there.
These do not look like ninja stars. They're cute little things.
Well, if you turn them around the other way, you...
I mean, there's all kinds of little. I mean, there's a nice amount of them. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 reminders for the refrigerator. Although it's getting kind of full right now with all the text to wins, which even with the text to wins up there, you don't remember to enter, and I don't know what I'm going to do with you. What? That's not what I ordered. Where's my... It says that's what I ordered, but that's not what I ordered. Well, I mean, we'll still use them, but...
It reminds me of you.
Also.
Who said that? See, doesn't this remind you of her?
What a hoot.
Woo, woo.
Don't pollute. Plant a tree today.
I'm your mini-me. Hoot, hoot.
What the heck are you doing?
Let's see if there's one that's dressed more like me. That's like
It's going to tell you secrets.
that would be kind of like the like the angel devil thing, and that one would be like it's all like a red, so it'd be like the devil.
Are you done so I can tell you what these are for? Do you have any idea what these are for?
To be a cute refrigerator magnet.
They are refrigerator magnets. And what is something else that I'm always doing on the refrigerator?
Putting little reminders.
Yes.
It's going to be cute, and it's going to have things on its stomach like, if you don't do this, you will die.
Well, really? That's not what I had planned with these.
Don't drink poison.
What is wrong with you?
Am I supposed to go over the whole list?
Reason what? No, number 5 thing that's wrong with you.
Number 5. I talk about writing horrible things on a cute little owl's dry erase stomach. Or maybe even his eyeballs. There's a little bit of space there.
Can we talk about how forgetful you are?
And I'll never forget.
I'll never forget. You forget.
Ow.
No, I'll do this. Owl. Now, do you know what this is for? This is for celery macaroni salad, because the celery's kind of wilted now on the kitchen windowsill.
It's in water to keep it kind of revitalized.
Yeah, we're trying. It's about over. We're trying to keep it a little bit alive so the guinea pig might eat it, but it's getting to the point where he won't even look at it these days. So, all because he did not have a reminder. Now, what are these for?
For things that make me angry, because it's red.
Then I suppose this is for things that make me boo-hoo-hoo.
That's a possibility. This is for things that make you envious.
Seriously, though.
Therefore, forget-me-not sort of thing.
I meant to order leaves. Where'd the yellow ones come from?
The yellow ones were on the back. See? There's all sorts of colors.
Make way for the parade of
owls.
Hap Palmer is a lot cooler than an owl.
Even these cute little chubby ones.
They're all the same size.
I know, they're all cute and chubby.
Now, do you know what I got these for? We're trying to pay off debt, and I put how much we owe on each of our credit cards and put it up on the refrigerator using an index card. And these are dry erase, so I can just erase them because we play the credit card game. One of my favorite credit cards is the Hampton Inn card because we love staying at Hampton Inns. We found this cup at a garage sale for 1 cent. It did have a 2-cent price tag on it, but it was half off day. So I paid a penny for this. But I love my Hampton Inn credit card. And if you join, you get, I think it's 50,000 extra points, which is enough for more than one free night if you stay, like, somewhere that's not, like, Abu Dhabi.
Right. And rewards cards are great as long as you're just paying them off, you know?
Well, we had some medical expenses, so we don't have them all paid off right now. So that's where these come in to let us know where we are on our paying off debt goals and our savings goals. And blue and gold. Go Mountaineers.
I thought it was Let's Go Mountaineers.
It is. That's what I said.
Proud WVU graduate.
Class of 1998. Terry. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get back to my halfway decent coffee mug and finish the rest of my brownie.
Okay.
So, until next week.